Now I'm going to go cut some sunflower heads. Give this to the chickens.
Here with another. What? Make this hand. What? Look. Hold it. No, Trent, can you hold the sunflower? No, like this. Yeah. Push down. Push down. Push and pull.
Well, then weed.
Timbo.
Now you go over there and pull it, Witten.
Yank it.
There you go.
Yank.
Teamwork.
I love these pretty flowers.
There you go. Way to go, Witten. And then back up some. Oh, look, you got it. Now, Witten, just pull. Pull hard. There you go.
With the saw. Well, can I have the cutting thing?
Move down.
Where's the other cutting thing?
Go, sweetheart. You want to ride with me?
I got it.
Turn it around there. Now you take off all those little flowers first. Why don't you sit your chocolate milk down? Each seed has a little flower on it. So each one of these little seeds, each one of these things are flowers. Ain't that cool?
I pulled the seed out.
That's okay. We're going to get all the seeds out. There's a bug. Look how big these seeds are.
Look at this spider.
Oh, there is a spider. Look how big these seeds are. Let's put the seeds in there.
Okay.
Hold on, keep clearing it off, and then you can get all the seeds out. You gonna help us?
Which chocolate milk did you get? Was there one out?
No, he got one from the fridge.
No, like which chocolate milk did he get out?
Help us down.
What? I'm gonna get a chocolate milk.
Okay. Here, down. I'm gonna go get my stand. You help get the seeds out. Yeah, if you want to.
What is he doing?
Fixing my car.
Wait, no, I'm helping you. Okay, well done.